Unveiling the shadows, understanding, burying the truth. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, burying the truth. This phrase is rich in meaning and is widely used in both everyday conversations and in more formal contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. So, let's get started. Burying the truth refers to the act of concealing, hiding, or suppressing information that is true, with the intention of keeping people from knowing about it. This phrase evokes the imagery of physically burying something underground to prevent it from being seen, which metaphorically applies to the truth being hidden away. It's often used in situations where someone may benefit from the truth not being revealed or when the truth might be harmful or uncomfortable if brought to light. To better understand how burying the truth is used, let's look at a few examples. 1. In politics, a politician might be accused of burying the truth about their involvement in a scandal to maintain their public image and avoid legal consequences. 2. In personal relationships, someone might bury the truth about their past because they fear judgment or rejection from their friends or loved ones. 3. In the workplace, a company might try to bury the truth about a defective product to avoid recalls, legal issues, and damage to their reputation. In each of these examples, the phrase signifies the deliberate act of keeping the truth hidden to avoid the repercussions that its exposure might entail. Understanding the phrase, burying the truth, is important because it can help us recognize situations where information is being deliberately withheld. In a world where transparency and honesty are highly valued, being able to identify and articulate these instances is crucial. It also enriches our language and communication skills, allowing us to express complex ideas more effectively. Using burying the truth in conversation or writing involves recognizing situations where information is being hidden or suppressed. It can be used to express skepticism or doubt. I think they're burying the truth about what really happened. To criticize or accuse, the government has been accused of burying the truth about the environmental impacts of the project. To reflect on personal experiences, I learned the hard way that burying the truth only leads to more problems down the line. Understanding and using the phrase, burying the truth, empowers us to communicate more precisely and to think critically about the information we receive and share. We hope this exploration has shed light on this intriguing phrase and that you'll feel confident using it in your own conversations and writings. Remember, language is a powerful tool for expressing ideas, uncovering truths, and connecting with others. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more linguistic treasures together. Keep exploring, and keep learning.